Hello guys, now let us discuss question 143. The question is for the redox reaction MnO4 minus plus C2O4 2 minus plus H plus gives Mn2 plus CO2 plus H2C. The correct coefficients of the reactants for the balance equation are, so the options are first 5, 16 and 2, third 2, 16 and 5, third 2, 5 and 16, and fourth 16, 5 and 2. So for this, let's divide this reaction into first reduction and oxidation reactions. So for the reduction, it would be MnO4 minus, it's O 4 minus plus 8H plus, which gives Mn2 plus 4H2O, and that would be plus 5 electrons to balance it out. And other for the oxidation, it would be C2O4 2 minus, that gives 2 CO2 plus 2 electrons for the balancing. Now if we take the two reactions, we have to, for balancing it out, we have to multiply it by 2, and second reaction we have to multiply it by 5. So we get MnO4 minus 2MnO4 minus plus 5 C2O4 2 minus plus 16H plus, that gives 2Mn2 plus 10 CO2 plus 8H2. Now we have to find the coefficient for MnO4 minus, it is 2, for C2O4 2 minus it is 5, and for H plus it is 16. So the correct option is third, 2, 5 and 16. Third option is correct. Thank you. Hope